Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And today I had a very big box hit my doorstep. And listen, this joint, it's slick, kind of heavy. I'm assuming since it's a heavy package, has to be heavy blessings in there. So let me grab this box real quick. And here it is right here. Big boxes, like I said, usually mean big blessings, and I think I have an idea of what is actually in this box right here. So listen, production team, you already know how that goes. Let's go ahead and hit that montage.
Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean. Now the drug they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean. Now the Xannies help me slow, and leaning help me speed. Now calling, yeah, I'm ballin', I won't hit it if she beat. Now calling, yeah, she calling, you bitch got me on the speed. Now.
Okay, and we are back. This crate thing, that is not what I thought was gonna be inside the box. And first up, as always, they did send me a nice note over. So Puma Christian and the Suede is turning 50. The golden Suede celebrates a timeless streetwear legend for all time, Puma. So once again, Puma, appreciate you guys blessing me with these. And it's crazy package because I know a lot of people that watch the channel are gonna be happy you sent, well, you'll see real quick. So here is the crate right here. And of course, if we take these two pieces of foam off the top of this joint, on the inside you guys are going to reveal the gold Puma Suede 50, and they sent your boy a bottle. I don't know if they knew it was my birthday on the 25th, but hey, I appreciate the bottle as always. And earlier I said it was something that you guys are going to appreciate because this is all you guys ever asked me to do, is drink and go in on shoes. So I'm not gonna be drinking right now. I might take a sip for the video, but what do we got here? What do we have inside of here? Johnny Walker Gold Label Reserve blended Scotch and whiskey, 40% alcohol volume, 750 milliliters. Looks fancy, looks nice, and of course has to go with the shoes. So let me put this drink in the back. Let me put the bottle in the back so we can get to the main feature right here. So of course, since this is the 50th year anniversary of the Suede, they made this special pair. I mean, you got all the confetti, the gold, everything on the inside, but in all over gold Suede, a gold Puma Suede, and the uppers on these joints are just, they're shining, bro. They are shining. It's a very interesting texture on the upper, Puma Suede on the outside. And then the coolest thing on these, if I can take both of these out the box, because I need to put this crate down so I actually talk about these joints. Let me put in the bag. So right here are both of the shoes, and these joints, I mean, y'all can see it in the camera, bro. These joints are just shining. It's crazy upper material on these, and then the laces, you got all the gold. I mean, we just went 24 karat on these joints. On the tongue, it actually does have the Puma and 50 for the 50th year anniversary. That's a little detail that they embossed on the tongue. And then towards the inside on the heel, you got 1968 and 2018 on the inside heel of both, of course signifying 50 years of Puma Suede. And these all gold joints, man. They say, yo, we want these joints to be straight up gold bricks. So blam, Puma 50th anniversary and all over gold, clear outsoles, crazy gold uppers. And no, unfortunately, if you order the shoe, you will not receive a bottle with it, but you can go out to wherever you need to go. Of course, I'm in Virginia, so I need to go to ABC store, but Puma, appreciate that. Let's just pretend somebody knew it was my birthday and they sent me the bottle over. And I did say I might take a sip, and I feel like with an occasion like this, 50th year anniversary, let's take a little sip. I don't think I get demonetized for that. I don't think so. Okay, after some human ingenuity just picking off the cover, I think we can finally take a little swigger of this right here. Go ahead and pop the cork out of here. Great way to start my morning. So with that being done, that was it for the video. Let me grab the shoes again, sorry. And that is gonna be a wrap for the video. Once again, thank you to Puma for sending over this crazy package. Appreciate the bottle, and of course appreciate the Suede. So that is gonna be it, bruh. Much love to all the fam. followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Buzzbot, of course. Hold on, I got him right here. Bullet.rc, and I was woo, voice messed up. And I will see y'all on the next video, bro. Make sure you go ahead and drop a thumbs up on this joint. Very dope, very crazy package. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all be easy. I am out of here. Peace.
Never know now. Spiders in the dark, now my doggy